Hi, this is the HUAWEI Nova Y91 and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So first open the gallery app and select one from the photos which you want to hide. Click here to more icon on the right down corner, tap to hide. Now to view hidden items, we should go to Albums tab to touch the more icon in the top right corner and then touch hidden items. So okay, let's switch photos to Albums tab, tap on the right upper corner to four dots to more icon, click hidden items and you will see here your hidden photos. Just to unhide them, select the photo, click to unhide and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.